went to the local store. And this is what we got. 2 of the biggest lobster tails I could find in the grocery store. Now this is the absolute biggest size I could find at the grocery store. And this is what I had delivered to my front door. So check this out. And also look at that. You know exactly where it's from. I mean, it's coming straight from Maine. I have no idea where this one's from. Look at that beauty. Now check this out. And look at the size difference. I mean, this is beautiful. Most I could get at the grocery store. Guys, so we went to the store. We got all of everything we needed. We got the comparisons. Now, the best part, my favorite, time to start cooking.